Welcome to another new video on Mini Profile Welder. Today, we're diving into the intricate art of welding with a spotlight on the TIG welding technique, specifically focusing on the welding of a rectangular flange to a tube. TIG welding, or tungsten inert gas welding, is renowned for its precision and clean results. And when it comes to welding a rectangular flange onto a tube, precision is paramount. That's where the Mini Profile Welder by Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions India comes into play. This state-of-the-art welding equipment ensures seamless integration, providing stability and accuracy throughout the welding process. With its advanced features and precise controls, achieving optimal weld quality is not just a possibility, but a guarantee. Notice the flawless fusion of the flange and the tube, thanks to the meticulous craftsmanship facilitated by the TIG welding technique and the Mini Profile Welder. This robust connection ensures structural integrity and durability, crucial in various industries such as aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing. For welding solutions that elevate your craftsmanship and efficiency, trust Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions India. Contact us today to discover how our cutting-edge technology can enhance your welding processes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share,